In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the stock screener inside of TradingView. Now you can do this on your chart and you can also do it from the home page. So from the chart, what you need to do is just select the screener down here. And when you click on this, you will see the stock screener open. Now in here, you can see all of the popular ones, and you'll also have the option to filter it however you want. So you can see the market, you can see dividend yields and all this stuff, and you can just select which one. So let's say you want to do only finance ones. Now it's only gonna show you the finance ones. So you can put as many filters as you want to find the one, and you will be able to sort them up here. So let's say you only want to do, let's say ascending, and you will now see the ascending changes in percentage. You can also do descending, and you can see it right here. So this is a good way to sort and find whichever one you want to look at. You can also do by volume. So you can see here, and this will be the most volume, and this will be with the lowest. So this is a great tool to find some specific ones, and that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.